Right, I'm gonna be cooking some horse meat. I know it's a bit weird, but something interesting to see. You don't see it very often, especially in French supermarkets. So I'm probably gonna get started and do the option of between medium and well done. So about 22 and a half minutes. Let's get started. Seeing this all works out, I decided to do some horse instead on the pan. Well, I might decide to do some of it in the oven. Let's see if it works out by doing it on the searing or pan itself. You can do it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So yeah, let's get started. Actually, very surprisingly, it actually has that weird steak look to it. If you didn't know it was horse, you would think it was something else, right? But no, it's Black Beauty or sea biscuit you're eating. You can't do this in America, and I'm sure in Britain it's illegal as well. So, let's get started. Would you look at that? Piping hot, and it's ready for me to neigh. Oh, okay, maybe I'm just taking the piss out there, but they say it actually has more iron and vitamins than beef. Can you believe that? Oh, would you look at that? My first taste of this delicious horse. I mean, it does taste very much like beef. If you didn't know it was horse, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. In the same way that rabbit tastes like chicken, or as they say they do. Tough, but that's what you get with game meats. Got to be a bit careful. So yeah, not bad for someone who hasn't done it the first time.